Welcome to On Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here linear chain is given. You have conjugated diene. Both are in the trans form. You have terminal alcohol and chlorine. Here stereochemistry and functional group are specified. You have to find the IUPAC name of it. Here the answer lies in the choice of the functional group. Which one you have to choose first. Here OH are in equal position, hence you have to know the chlorine decides the numbering there. So you have to start from the chlorine side. So chlorine gets the number 3. Then you have alkene there. You should know the configuration. For that you should write the carbon separately, which is second carbon and fourth carbon. Then you should know that the configuration of second carbon is Z because high priority groups are same side. On the contrary, fourth carbon, you have high priority groups are opposite side, so you might think it's a 4E configuration. So 2Z and 4E. Hence the name of the compound is 2Z4E, 3-chlorohexa, 2,4-diene and 1,6-diol. Here many functional group, you have to choose the priority, you have to choose the stereochemistry. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.